going to be about a great opportunity from India. And this is to all the new guests who have joined here. And I request each and every one of you to stay for next 60 minutes. So next 60 minutes is going to be amazing session for you all, right? And to present this plan, there will be a great personality will be coming here. And before he comes, before we start this program, I would request each and every one of you to pray silently and let us remember our Almighty and let us pray for a few seconds. Okay? Right, please. Thank you so much. Thank you. That is what we do from India. Namaste. Good morning. Hello, everyone. Okay, right. One second. Let me see who are all come actually. Okay. Yet to come. There are a lot of people still coming, still flowing in. Welcome to each and every one of you. Wonderful. So it's a good evening in USA. Just finished Sunday evening and able to go to sleep. And here in India, we just woke up and started our fresh week, first day of the week. Okay, wonderful. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, so let me not waste the time, and it's time to introduce that person. It's time to invite the great gentleman. This person who's got a lot of experience, more than 6 years or 7 years of experience in the wellness industry, and who's got a tremendous amount of energy to present this great opportunity to all of you, and who has created many success stories in Indus Viva. I just want to invite with all your thundering round of applause, with your reactions, with your physical reaction. He is none other than the Black Diamond Ambassador, Mr. Prem Kumar from Bangalore. And I'm just putting him on the screen. And sir, welcome, good morning, and your screen is yours. Good morning, sir.
Warm welcome to everybody. Good morning, Pravinji. Thanks for the wonderful welcome. My voice is audible, Pravinji?
Yes, sir. Perfect.
Amazing. Okay. Warm welcome to each one of you. Namaste. This is Prem Kumar from Bangalore, southern part of India. And all those who have joined us from across, India, United States, Nepal, and probably from Rwanda and different parts of the world, anywhere, wherever you're from. I welcome you to this amazing session. This is going to be a 60-minute session. So we started at 7:30 and we promise you a 60-minute delivery. Just like, sometime I think there was a kind of a challenge. If the pizza is not delivered within 15 minutes, the pizza is free. Similarly, we're going to deliver this session within the next 60 minutes. That's the promise. So I request you to, stay connected, keep your cameras on and focus here, because it is believed that if you do not focus on what you are doing, probably you are wasting your time. And I value your time and even my time, and every one of us, our time is very, very important. So let me jump into the presentation for the day. Pravinji, you can see the PPT on the screen.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes. So, dear friends, what I want to commit to each one of you is, if you are able to stay focused for the next 60 minutes, probably we will be able to discover an amazing world of possibilities with Indus Viva INC. And this program is specially for our esteemed participants and teams from the United States of America. And the first question is, what would happen to each one of us post-pandemic? Because the recent article, one of the articles I was just going through, and they mentioned that what we are seeing right now is not the actual, effect of the pandemic. The effect is yet to be, felt, or probably they say it's going to hit the economies and the world at a later stage, and this is just the beginning, right? So what would happen to each one of us? Probably the work we are involved with, the activities, the business, the company we are associated with, and things like that. So it's a very big question mark today. And probably job losses is one news which is not missed out in the articles, at least for the past 4 months. This has been probably a kind of a headline to anybody and everybody who is, trying to watch the latest updates on what's happening around the world. 47 million people will lose their jobs permanently, and 20 million more are working currently in jobs that are at high risk of layoffs, and unemployment rate will probably hit 32%. That's what is predicted by the global economy experts, those who speak about what's going to happen, and nobody will get a salary hike for this year. Probably having a job itself would be considered as a blessing. And in the midst of all these crisis or times of high volatility or adversity, we are seeing that the living expenditure continues to increase. And probably, I would say, none of us were prepared for a situation like this. And the current pandemic has shaken the world's economy at large. And today's economic condition is the result of the action we have taken, or probably we have failed to take in the past, and the future of each one of us, and the financial future in particular, would be the result of what we can do or we could do together as one community. And let me also give you a hint that the history says that many global giants like General Electric, Microsoft, HP, Hyatt Federal Express, Google, etc. were founded during the challenging times in the past, especially when the world had to go through a recession, or let's say the depression, whatever it is. So these were the challenging times, and there were people who stepped in and said, let's explore the possibility of serving more number of people and converting that idea probably into an enterprise or an entrepreneurial journey of being, of service to larger number of people. And that's what all these great companies have done probably in the times of challenge. And today they are Fortune, and also in the list of Fortune companies, Fortune 500 companies in the world. And today we also propose you a business, an opportunity for each one of us to stay home, and with the convenience and safety of being home, we will be able to build a business. And would you consider it? And definitely I take a yes from each one of you, because I know that people in the US are very much interested to do something apart from just being in a job or doing one activity. People are involved in multiple activities in order to earn additional income. And Ayurveda, the mother of all healings, comes as an opportunity in these challenging times, especially the pandemic situation globally. The need of the hour is discovered to be immunity and preventive health supplements, because people around the world are searching for products which are considered to be preventive health supplements in order to boost up the immunity. And as per the advanced Ayurvedic principles, they are being manufactured. And what is advanced Ayurveda? Two terminologies coined here. Ayurveda, basically the ancient wisdom, one of the oldest form of medicine followed in the eastern part of the world, especially arising from India. And advanced Ayurveda is when the Ayurvedic products are manufactured as per the ancient Ayurvedic principles, and the efficacy and claims are validated by modern science. That's what advanced Ayurveda is all about. And today there is an opportunity which we can tap into as a community in order to explore the business with Indus Viva Inc. by being home and with the convenience of the virtual office in the company's website. You would be able to kickstart your business by furnishing your basic details like your KYC, your bank credentials, and your social security number. And this is the company which is proposing you this amazing opportunity today. Indus Viva Health Sciences Private Limited, established in the year 2014, headquartered at Viva Tower, Bangalore, and the US operations of Indus Viva Inc. is operated from Williams Tower, where the company's national headquarters is located in Houston, Texas. And the previous financial year, the company's witnessed about 148% annual growth rate, which is something to be applauded. And manufacturing plant of the company is certified GMP, which stands for Good Manufacturing Practice, especially for people who are connected with factories or probably industries, manufacturing units. They are able to understand the importance of being certified as a GMP plant. And the research and development R&D laboratory of Indus Viva is approved by the Department of Scientific and Industrial Research, Government of India. And in India, the company cultivates medicinal plants as per the Ayurvedic texts, in thousands of acres through contract farming, and whatever is cultivated has to be processed, and the raw material processing plant of Indus Viva has a capacity to deliver about 165 metric tons per month. That's about the company. And let me also talk about the science behind the product. The research and development of products of Indus Viva are in technical collaboration with Bioactives Japan Corporation, Tokyo, as per the Japanese standard. That's what is happening with Indus Viva. You can see the ancient wisdom of India, Ayurveda, coming alive with the conglomeration of Japanese technology with Indus Viva, and our products are scientifically validated and reports are very much furnished in the company's website, which you will be free to access if you want additional information about the products and the science behind the product. And the first product we rolled out to the market in the United States is called iVed, which is basically an immunity booster formulated as per the advanced Ayurvedic principles, which is validated by the modern science and technology. So Ayurvedic principles and modern science coming alive. The technology is very much proven scientifically to be useful for people who can consume this, because we are going into the 5,000-year-old texts of Ayurveda and finding out what's good for even the modern 21st century audience. And instead of me talking about the product, I would put you through a video where Dr. Balu comes and explains, who's the product development head at Indus Viva, who is an MD in Ayurveda. So please pay close attention to this video wherein Dr. Balu comes and explains. Pravinji, are you able to see the video here?
Yes, sir. Yeah, it's to come.
Thank you. So I will play this video, dear friend. It's 3 minutes, 36 seconds only. Please pay close attention.
Yes.
One answer to your million queries on health. Isn't that what we are all looking forward to? Where we feel safe and doubtless while we consume something that is said to have positive effect on the holistic wellness. Ayurveda is a unique formulation in the wellness paradigm of Indus Viva. I call this unique because this is a formulation which is propelled by traditional Ayurvedic principles validated by modern science and technology. It is 100% natural formulation based on advanced Ayurveda. The human body has inbuilt immune system which works day and night protecting it from disease. But the present day lifestyle has made it difficult for the human body to cope up with the stress, and this is leading to variety of diseases. A good immune system protects you against deadly diseases and can support your brain health, gut health, heart health and liver health also. 19th century was all about infectious diseases, but as we progress along 21st century, it is a life-threatening diseases like cancer, heart diseases, obesity and diabetes which are more prevalent in this world. Sedentary lifestyle otherwise leads to degenerative and dreadful diseases. Ayurveda is a traditional Indian system of medicine which is derived from two Sanskrit words, Ayur and Veda, which literally means science of life. Ayurveda follows the principle of Swasthasya Swasthya Rakshanam, Athurasya Vikara Prashamanam in Sanskrit, which means to protect the health in a healthy person and to prevent the forthcoming disease. The classical text of Ayurveda, namely Charaka Samhita, Sushruta Samhita and Ashtanga Hridayam, dating back to 5,000 years, have an armamentarium of medicinal plants and botanicals known for their preventive health as well as managing the debilitating diseases. Ayurveda contains 50 herbal ingredients which are evidence-based and time-tested Ayurvedic formulations as well as antioxidant fruits which have preventive attributes towards degenerative ailments. Interestingly, Ayurveda is also formulated based on the law of similarities which has been mentioned in the ancient textbooks of Ayurveda. Ayurveda contains 4 traditional composite Ayurvedic formulations, namely Saraswata Churnam, the major ingredient being Centella asiatica, which supports the brain health, Parthadhyarishtam, the major ingredient being Terminalia arjuna, the leaf of which resembles your heart and thus it supports heart health, Bilvadileham, with the major ingredient being Bilva, which is botanically identified as Agel marmelos and it supports your gut health, Panchanimba Churnam, the major ingredient being Neem, botanically identified as Azadiracta indica, which protects your liver health. There are numerous studies on Ayurveda in the laboratory which have given promising results regarding its benefits. Ayurveda improves your immunity. Ayurveda can be safely consumed by people of all age groups and gender from pediatric to geriatric population. It is suggested to consume 30 ml of Ayurveda twice daily, half an hour before your food for beneficial results. Ayurveda can be consumed safely for longer duration without worrying about adverse effects. Consume Ayurveda and rejuvenate yourself in an Ayurvedic way.
Well, thank you. That was Dr. Balu talking about our products. And let's proceed, my dear friends. Pravinji, are you able to see the presentation?
Yes, sir. It came. Yeah.
Yes. So whatever is explained by Dr. Balu is very much here in the form of words, but then definitely I felt the video was much better to understand about the product and the benefits of the products, what we can derive. And there are a lot of people in the US who have started consuming this amazing product and have found wonderful results. In a moment, probably about 10 minutes from now, I'm gonna share within the next 10 minutes, I'm going to share the business connected with this product. Stay back with us and listen to some of the amazing testimonial where the people have found amazing results by using this product in their wellness journey. So also, the company has a disclaimer that this is a wellness-based dietary supplement and this product is not intended to prevent, diagnose, treat or cure any disease. Indus Viva Inc. will not be responsible or liable for any product representation or communication making claims otherwise, because the product cannot be used. It cannot be used for medicinal or diagnostic purpose. So kindly note the disclaimer, dear friends, here about Ayurveda. Moving forward, in the US, the product is very much available across the United States, and it can be home delivered, and the courier charges and the transactional charges are waived off. And now talking about the business opportunity, 3 simple yet very, very powerful steps here if you are interested to begin your entrepreneurial journey with IndusViva right here, right now. Let me tell you, these 3 simple steps is all that it takes for you to kickstart your journey. And the first one is, in order to be associated in distributing this product across the United States and also out of US probably going forward, to start off with the United States, if you want to partner with this company in the distribution channel in reaching out this product to millions of people, which is a very huge opportunity, the first step would be use the products yourself basically and get convinced with its quality. That's the first step, because when you are a consumer first, you would be able to understand the psychology of consumers and how many people require this and things like that. And the second step would be, once you are convinced about the quality and the efficacy and the goodness of the product, we urge upon you, we call upon you to recommend this product and business opportunity to just 2 friends. Because when I say 2, there is a reason why I am sticking on to 2. All that it takes is to share this business and the opportunity of the product or the business opportunity with just 2 of your friends through a video call. How is it possible? Exactly the same way this call is happening. All that it takes is you connect 2 people to this call, and eventually you will be able to build your own distribution network for this company and with this company through those 2 associates. It's as simple as that. These are the 3 steps, basic steps, in order to kickstart your journey with IndusViva and to grab this business opportunity. Let's explore further and understand how it practically happens. Before that, let me explain to you, or let me introduce to you the amazing different ways of earning income at IndusViva. There are about 10 types of earnings, starting from the retail profit, because if the company wants to partner with you in the distribution of these amazing products across the United States. So you can start off with a simple retailing of the business and go up all the way to explore the business plan much deeper at the surprise reward programs. There are various ways of earning. Let's start off with the first way of earning, which is one of the simplest way of making profit at IndusViva. All that you need to do is first use the product and recommend the product to your good friend or a relative or one of your well-wishers, and the company pays you 20% retail profit. Let's say each product of IndusViva, each bottle of Ayurveda is 946 ml, and 4 units of Ayurveda, you would pay the distributor price. DP stands for distributor price, which is $250, and the PV, which is point value, 4 units of Ayurveda carries 100 point value, which means that each bottle carries 25 point value. That's the DP. You pick up the product at a DP and you will earn $50 as retail profit, because the SRP, suggested retail price in the United States, is $300. As simple as that. You pick up the product at $250, 4 units of iWave. You will be able to retail it at $300 and you make a retail profit of $50. That's how you kickstart your retail profit journey of being an entrepreneur in a simple and yet a powerful way. And eventually, when you find out that the people whom you recommend this product, whom you reach out this product to, are coming back to you again and again, because this is such an amazing product that for the first time, you will be explaining the goodness of the product to the people, and eventually the product itself sells itself. The product sells itself because the goodness of the product is realized by a satisfied customer, and the customer keeps coming back to you. And that's when you will be able to explore the very powerful retailing arena in IndusViva. That's the top retailers bonus in the country. And let me tell you, in the United States, the people have already started achieving this. That's the first position in the country. Someone who's done a really outstanding retailing in the last month will be awarded once in a month as the top retailer of the country with a whopping $1,000 additional profit apart from the retail bonus, which I just explained. And the second position is $500 for someone who's bagged the second position nationally. And the third prize, we have consolation prize divided into 3 categories. Someone who's able to retail about 10 into 100 PV, that is 1,000 PV product in a month, will be provided with $300 worth of free complimentary product. And someone with 600 PV, that is, let's say about 12 units, that's about 24 units of iWave, will be paid $150 worth product free. And someone who's done about 300 PV, that's 12 units of iWave, will be paid $75 worth of product free. So what are you waiting for? Jump in and explore the world of possibilities with these 2 retailing avenues. And now I am going to take you in a moment through a process where you will be able to build the distribution network with the company, for the company, but the number one beneficiary is going to be you. Let me explain that to you. The company provides you basically 2 zones. One is on your right and one is on your left, and that's the reason I just mentioned 2 good friends or a well-wisher, because initially you will be able to just develop 2 zones. One is your right zone and one is your left zone. And when you sponsor somebody in the business, when you connect somebody to this business and they place an order for 200 PV, that's 8 units of iWave, you will be paid $20 each, which is the business opening bonus, the primary step of opening up your zones on your right and on your left. And that's the reward called as business opening bonus. And the company really wants to reward someone who is very serious about making it happen. And that's the reason you are paid $20 each. And if you can be quick, in making that within 1 week, you will end up earning additional $20 as Star Reward 1. When you have sponsored 1 person on your right and 1 on your left, you step into the first rank of IndusViva, which is called as the Star rank. And if you can make it happen within 1 + 1 week, you are eligible to earn $20 additionally. And further, this business is all about teamwork. It's all about building a community of people, and that's the reason we call it as community commerce business, right? Community commerce opportunity, wherein you help your good friend on your right and probably one of your cousin on your left. You help them also to achieve the star reward 1, and they get paid $20. But for making it happen, respecting your leadership, the company extends an additional reward of $40. So you bag about $60 additionally just by supporting your team and showing up as a leader. And further, this is where the actual business or the business network comes into play, when you eventually access the resources provided by the company in order to expand and explore the business further with these two good friend or a relative or a well-wisher. And when you produce 100 GV and PV both are same, but when it is produced by your organization on your left, it's called as the left group volume, and when it is produced on the right, it is your right group volume. And let's understand how Dual Team Bonus is paid. The good news is, my dear friends, Dual Team Bonus has a cutoff on every Friday midnight. Yes, that's the good news, because every Friday the cutoff happens midnight, and the software calculates the group volume on your left and on your right. And the good news is, every week you get paid for the previous Friday cutoff. Every Monday the payout is given, and in a year 52 times you will be able to explore the possibility of earning the Dual Team Bonus. Let's assume you have 600 GV on your left and 600 GV on your right. You are paid the Dual Team Bonus of $120. Let me remind you, this is not the effort of yours alone. This is the power and the output of a teamwork. You collaborate with the group of people in your left organization. You collaborate with a group of people in your right organization with the resources provided by the company, following the education system here, which is called as Vibrant Viva. You will be able to achieve this as the output or the outcome of a teamwork. Let's say your team on the left gives you 1000 GV and the team on the right produces 1000 group volume. Your weekly payout in that particular week ends up to be $200. And eventually, when it is 2000 GV on your left and 2000 GV on your right, the week's payout is going to be about $400. And let me tell you, there is a question which arises in most of the people at this juncture. The question is, Mr. Prem, this looks like an arithmetic progression, but we have people involved and engaged in the system. Is it possible for anybody and everybody to balance the volume on a weekly basis? It's a very intelligent question, and if you're thinking, you're learning. If you're thinking, you're applying your mind. I really appreciate you, and I just want to answer only this question. Let me tell you, I am into the system for the past 6.5 years. 348 weeks have gone by, and never in the past have I seen this happen, which means that the volume will never be balanced. Either your right zone is running forward or your left zone is taking up. You will never be able to see. It's very rare to see that the volumes are balancing by itself, but definitely the system has a way of paying you every week. Let me explain that with a simple example, dear friends. Let's assume in a particular week you have 2000 GV and you have 2200 GV. All that the software is programmed to do is pick the lesser side. In this example, it is 2000 GV. So 2000 GV is picked from your left and from your right, and you are paid for 2000 GV on both the sides, and the excess volume of 200 GV, just like your bank account, whatever you withdraw, the balance stays in your bank account. Similarly here, the excess GV is carried forward to the next week. In this example, you can see 2,500 GV on your left and 2,200 GV on your right. As I just mentioned, the software picks the lesser side, which is 2,200 GV in this particular example, and you are paid $440. And you can see that right now the carry forward is moving to the left side. So the excess 300 GV is carried forward, summed up with the volume in the next week. That's 3,000 plus 3,300 GV, and we have 4,000 GV generated on your right zone. So you are paid $660 in this particular week, and the excess volume 700 GV is carried forward to the next week. So that's all about the imbalanced group volume being carried forward. And what happens eventually when you further explore the dual team bonus? As I told you, this is one of the most interesting and very powerful way of earning at Indus Viva. Eventually, the opportunity unfolds as you increase the support to your distribution network, wherein you will be able to explore it to a level of producing 25,000 GV on your right and 25,000 GV on your left, and which means that you will be able to earn a weekly earning potential of $5,000 under the dual team bonus. That is the maximum payout what you will be able to earn under the dual team bonus, and anything beyond 25,000 GV would not be paid, because this is the capping limit what the company has restricted, because the system has to work, and if the system has to work, the system has to be stable. In order to make the system stable, the company has to fix a weekly capping limit. And let me remind you, this is not the capping limit of the compensation plan. This is the capping limit of only one of the types of earning, that is dual team bonus, which has a weekly earning potential of $5,000. And further, you can explore other ways of earning at Indus Viva. And the dual team bonus, in order to earn this in an uninterrupted manner, you need to fulfill one condition at Indus Viva, which is called as personal turnover. And in this personal turnover feature, you can take the advantage of making sure you earn even without the expansion of the network over a period of time. Let's assume you have 500 distributors on your left organization and right organization collectively, and if they can produce a volume of 100 PV in a week, even without the expansion of the network, you will be able to earn $5,000 in a week. And what's the condition? I was just talking about the condition is you need to make sure that you make a personal turnover, or I would say personal retail from your ID once in a month, that is 4 units of I-weight, in order to make sure your earning at Indus Viva is uninterrupted. And with the same feature, you are able to explore that you will be able to earn even without the expansion of your network and earn up to $5,000 a week. So friends, with that, let me give you the surprising news that is so far about 53 amazing leaders around the world exploring this opportunity have found themselves in a position where they have earned beyond 200,000 US dollars through this amazing opportunity. And the company has a dream of creating more and more such people around the world. And right now we are just beginning the journey in the United States. And I would suggest our participants who is there with us today to further spend few more minutes with a good friend or anybody who's invited you to this presentation and understand more about this company and the opportunity and the products and take a wise decision and kickstart your journey as an entrepreneur with Indus Viva, because it is in moments of decision the destiny is shaped. And in a moment, Mr. Praveen, the wonderful host for the day, is gonna present few amazing people from the United States and different parts of the world who have explored the product and the goodness of the product, and also the business and the potentiality of earning in the business. And together you will be able to take a wise decision by listening to these amazing testimonials. 19 minutes to go. As the challenge goes, 60 minutes we will deliver this amazing presentation. And over to the host of the day. Thank you, Praveenji. Over to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Wow, that was an amazing presentation by you. And I definitely know each and everyone who's participating here will definitely show some love and some affection with the standing round of applause and also
Thank you,
reaction.
Praveenji. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Prem sir, for your presentation. And as you said,